Nature and life continues to function as it is, actually better, minus the human being. Every other life is feeling better. Sad story about ourselves. You saw the peacock dancing, many other things happening all over the world. In terms of carbon emissions, 75 years ago, what was the emission level? It's come to that. So, plants and trees and insects and birds and animals, and the very air is happy. Our lives are disrupted and dislocated. There is a price for this for all of us. But let's at least celebrate that other life is doing well.